kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter N. Are you ready? Let's go! N for nest. Nest. N for nightingale. Nightingale. N for newt. Newt. N for narwhal. Narwhal. Let's repeat it again. N for nest. N for nightingale. N for newt. N for narwhal. N for nuts. Nuts. N for noodles. Noodles. N for nectarine. Nectarine. N for nuggets. Nuggets. Let's repeat it again. N for nuts. N for noodles. N for nectarine. N for nuggets. N for nurse. Nurse. N for neighbor. Neighbor. N for nail. Nail. N for ninja. Ninja. Let's repeat it again. N for nurse. N for neighbor. N for nail. N for ninja. N for net. Net. N for notebook. Notebook. N for needle. Needle. N for necklace. Necklace. Let's repeat it again. N for net. N for notebook. N for needle. N for necklace. N for night. Night. N for nose. Nose. N for nest. Nest. N for north. North. Let's repeat it again. N for night. N for nose. N for nest. N for north. You've learned the letter N today. Now let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, N for nest. Who helps sick people? Right, N for nurse. What do we use to catch fish? Good job, N for net. What do we wear around our neck? Exactly, N for necklace. What do we eat that's long and yummy? Yum, N for noodles. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter O.